arbitrationagreements.org. Today we are diving deep into the world of alternative dispute resolution, also known as ADR. In this casual chat, we will unpack one of the most common questions that we often come across: who pays for ADR? So, let's sit back and delve right into it, shall we? Before we get started, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. First, let's consider a few things. Picture this: you find yourself in a disagreement or dispute, and you want to solve it in a manner that is perhaps less adversarial and more collaborative. This is where ADR comes into play. ADR encompasses various methods like mediation, arbitration, and negotiation, providing a platform for dispute resolution that is often quicker and less formal than traditional court proceedings. Now let's talk numbers. According to statistics, as many as 90% of legal disputes in the United States get resolved through ADR methods. That's a significant chunk, isn't it? So moving on to the burning question of the day: who foots the bill for these ADR processes? Well, the answer varies depending on a few factors. Let's explore them one by one. In many cases, the parties involved decide to split the costs equally. It seems fair, right? It's a method that encourages cooperation and a shared interest in resolving the dispute amicably. At times, the organization or body facilitating the ADR might bear some of the costs. This often happens in cases where community mediation centers or similar entities are involved. They sometimes offer services on a sliding fee scale based on the individual's ability to pay. But let's not forget, there are also instances where one party agrees to bear all the costs, especially if they are keen on settling the matter swiftly and without escalating the situation further. So, friends, as we wrap up our chat today, we hope this information sheds some light on the financial aspects of alternative dispute resolution. Remember, when we opt for ADR, we are potentially saving time, money, and fostering a harmonious resolution. To learn more information about ADR, head over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, do you think it's fair for disputing parties to evenly split the costs of ADR? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.